10 Genius Ways. Farmers make big money with their tractors, even when they're not farming. What if I told you that the tractor sitting in your barn could be the most underused money-making machine you own? That's right, that hunk of steel and horsepower isn't just for plowing fields anymore. It's a gold mine on 4 wheels. While most folks see a tractor as a tool for work, entrepreneurs see it as an asset, one that can generate multiple streams of income, both on and off the farm. In today's video, we're diving into 10 rare, creative, and insanely profitable ways farmers are turning their tractors into full-blown cash machines. These ideas aren't your standard custom mowing or snow plowing gigs. Nope. These are clever, scalable, and sometimes wild business models that could bring in anywhere from $50,000 to $250,000 a year, just from equipment you already own. Let's roll into it. The tractor for rent side hustle, the Airbnb of heavy equipment. Imagine Airbnb, but for tractors. That's exactly what's happening across rural America. Platforms like ShareTractor or Yard Club let farmers rent out their tractors, loaders and attachments to contractors, landscapers, and even hobby farmers who don't want to buy one. You can charge anywhere from $75 to $150 per hour, or $500 or $1,000 per day depending on the model and attachments. Rent it out just 10 days a month at $800 a day, and that's $8,000 a month or nearly $100,000 a year, from a machine that might otherwise be sitting idle. And the best part? The platforms handle contracts, insurance, and payments. All you do is deliver and collect your profit. 2. The field film set strategy. Turn your tractor into a star. Film studios, photographers, and advertising agencies love authentic farm settings. You can rent your tractor, and even your land, as a film or photography set. Vintage tractors or unique models can fetch premium rates. Charge $1,500, $3,000 per day for film crews, or $500, $800 for photographers. Host 10 projects a year, and you're pocketing $10,000, $30,000, with barely any work. And yes, farmers are already cashing in on this. Some even list their tractors on film location directories or local tourism sites. Bonus idea: add a tractor driving experience for city folks wanting that farm life selfie. 3. The mobile power station model. Your tractor's engine is a portable powerhouse, literally. With the right attachments and a power takeoff generator, you can convert it into a mobile power source for outdoor events, food trucks, carnivals, and even emergency backup services. Offer power rentals at $100, $200 hour for event setups. A 10-hour weekend event could earn you $1,500, $2,000, and 20 weekends a year means $30,000, $40,000 in easy income. In disaster-prone areas, this service can be life-saving and highly profitable. Farmers who own multiple tractors can even contract with city emergency departments. That's not just side money, that's empire-building innovation. 4. The tractor tourism trend. Farm experiences for the city crowd. People in cities pay big money for authentic rural experiences. Offer tractor rides, scenic farm tours, and hands-on drive-a-tractor days. Marketed as a day in the life of a farmer adventure, families will happily pay $50, $100 per person for this. Run a few sessions each weekend for 20 guests, and you're looking at $1,000, $2,000 per weekend, up to $80,000 a year during peak seasons. Add photo ops, snacks, and local merch, hats, honey jams. For extra income, you're not just farming, you're running an experience brand. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 5. The Soil Data Scout. Turning tractors into tech tools. This one's futuristic and incredibly profitable. Equip your tractor with a soil scanner or precision mapping system, then offer data collection services to local farms. Most farmers don't have the tech or time to analyze soil conditions, but they need it. Charge $15, $25 per acre for soil and crop mapping. Cover 2,000 acres a year, and you're easily pulling $30,000, $50,000, especially during planting season. Plus, tech companies sometimes pay for this data. That's right, you could be selling soil insights to agritech firms. 6. The ad space on wheels concept. Think about how much attention a tractor draws when it's out and about. Why not sell that attention? Offer advertising space on your tractor. Local businesses, from feed stores to hardware shops, will pay to have their logos on your equipment. You can charge $300, $500 per month per side, and if you advertise for 4 or 5 brands, that's $1,500, $2,500 a month, or $18,000, $30,000 a year. For stickers, you're literally making money just driving around. Add social media exposure or branded posts for another revenue stream. 7. The community tractor subscription. Here's a rare gem. Turn your tractor into a shared community service. Offer local smallholders or homesteaders a tractor subscription. They pay a flat fee per month for access when they need it. Say 10 neighbors pay $200 a month for shared access. That's $2,000 a month or $24,000 a year. Add a few upsells like tilling or loader attachments, and you can double that. It's like a mini co-op business that keeps cash flowing all year. 8. The mobile landscaping and road grading business. With a simple box blade or grader attachment, you can start offering private road leveling, driveway grading, or small land clearing services. Charge $100, $150 hour, or offer package rates at $600, $1,000 per job. Just 2 small jobs a week could mean $4,000, $8,000 a month, and word of mouth spreads fast in rural areas. Add extra attachments for specialized services, like water drainage or soil contouring, and now you're in premium service territory. Many rural entrepreneurs run these side businesses full-time and earn 6 figures. 9. The Harvest Hero Emergency Backup Service. When other farmers' tractors break down during peak season, time is money, and you can be the hero. Offer emergency harvest support, charging a premium rate to jump in and finish their work. In high-demand times, you could charge $150, $250 an hour, easily earning $1,500 a day for urgent work. A few big jobs per month and you're clearing $50,000 per year. To scale this, keep your tractor well maintained and advertise locally or through farming co-ops. You'll become the 911 of farming operations. 10. The Solar Tractor Partnership. Now for something futuristic. Partner with solar companies to offer mobile solar array installations. Your tractor's power and hydraulics are perfect for transporting and positioning solar panels in rural areas. Solar contractors pay anywhere from $50, $100 an hour for equipment help. If you contract 10 hours a week, that's $2,000, $4,000 a month, or $24,000, $50,000 a year. And if you get certified as a solar installation partner, you can jump to 6 figures annually, helping renewable energy companies expand into rural zones. It's sustainable, profitable, and future-proof. Bonus idea. Tractor content creation. Monetize the machine online. Yes, you read that right. Tractors are going viral. Farmers are building massive audiences on YouTube and TikTok showing off their equipment, tutorials, and rural life. Start a channel featuring tractor hacks, farming tips, and behind-the-scenes repair videos. Once you hit 100K subscribers, brand deals and ad revenue can bring in $3,000, $10,000 a month, even more if you sell merch or courses. And the best part? You're just documenting your daily life. No acting, no studio, just authenticity. Tractors aren't just tools anymore. They're content, culture, and commerce. The real secret: tractor entrepreneurship. Here's the big takeaway. Owning a tractor is like owning a small business that most people never unlock. You've got raw power, mobility, and the ability to produce real-world results, things entrepreneurs dream about in other industries. Whether you're powering events, building side hustles, or launching your own tractor empire, the money potential is huge. Farmers who think beyond crops are building diversified income streams that make them unstoppable. From data collection to digital content, the modern farmer isn't just growing food, they're growing wealth. So stop letting your equipment sit there depreciating. Turn it into a 24/7 income generator. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash. 10 genius ways farmers make big money with their tractors, even when they're not farming. Al power binds, insen, apwan skan stirrer en.